Hi everyone. I want to talk to you today about something that could completely change the way you build your business online. One of the biggest struggles we all face is trying to grow a community that actually sticks. Ads are getting crazy expensive, SEO takes forever to show results, and emails? Let's be honest, they often get lost in spam folders. It's frustrating because we all know that communities are where the real magic happens. People trust communities, they engage, they spend more, and yet building one is exhausting. Posting constantly, finding content ideas, moderating members, it can feel like a full-time job on top of your actual business. That's where Cohortia AI comes in. This is not just another tool, it's a completely new way to grow a thriving, high-engagement community without you having to spend all your hours online. Imagine setting up your community once and then having an AI that acts like real people, posting, commenting, reacting, and keeping the conversation alive. These aren't just boring bots. Cohortia's AI members have personalities, interests, and human-like behavior that actually makes your community feel alive. When a real member posts, the AI responds, engages, and keeps the momentum going so nobody feels ignored. Social proof, activity, and interaction automatically. Whether you're a coach, a trainer, a marketer, or running an agency, this is a game changer. For coaches and businesses, you can bring in cold leads, nurture them inside a community, and naturally upgrade them to premium coaching or products as they see the value unfold. For agencies, you can manage communities for clients, offering a high-demand service while charging a monthly retainer. And the best part? You're not limited to one way of making money. Cohortia lets you monetize through exclusive memberships, paid posts, tutorials, and even digital event tickets. Everything is integrated with payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Razorpay, so the technical headaches are gone. Cohortia also makes your community mobile-friendly with its app, push notifications, live chats, polls, and a calendar for events, online or offline. It's designed to keep people coming back, because when members are active, your growth accelerates naturally. You don't have to worry about hosting or SEO either. Cohortia takes care of all that, so new members can discover you effortlessly. And here's the thing that really makes it low risk. Cohortia offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you use it and don't see your community grow, you don't pay a single cent. You can literally try it for a month, see the AI in action, watch engagement increase, and feel confident that it works before making any commitment. So if you're ready to stop struggling with empty communities and content burnout, Cohortia AI gives you the power to build a thriving, engaged, and profitable community without doing it all yourself. Set it up, let the AI do the heavy lifting, and watch your tribe grow. Start your journey with Cohortia today and experience firsthand what it's like to run a community that grows while you focus on what really matters. I've left the link below so you can see it for yourself and decide if it fits your goals. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.